All right, let's talk about accompanying in the focus for this video. It's another Magka, Nagka video, but this time it's talking about accompanying kind of nouns. Nouns that do accompanying, right? Because ka does the accompanying if it's a noun that can make it into an accompanying, and you'll see. Or if not, if you're still confused, watch the video I made about accompanying with ka, right? Because I'm not gonna go over it. So kadula is our word. Dula meaning to play, kadula meaning someone to play with, right? And that's what we mean by accompanying. So we're talking about in the focus because our target is Magka and Nagka, all right? Magka and Nagka. Two things to keep in mind though. Plural, okay? It's gonna be a plural focus. It's not singular because we're with someone else or somebody is with someone else doing something, okay? And that's why it's more than one, so now it's a plural. It's plural. We keep it in the focus by using mag and nag, adding ka to it. So we have to use our plural markers and all that stuff about maintaining it or keeping it plural, right? So that's why I put plural focus, therefore keep it plural in the focus. That's number one. Point number two is ka again only takes mag and nag to make nagka and magka. So nagka and magka in our example, dula, kadula, magkadula, nagkadula, okay? Here are the sentences that I want to put out as an example just to clarify and further explain what I mean. Okay, the first sentence is magkadula ang upat kalanggam. Magkadula ang upat kalanggam, okay? You already know what mag does and what nag does, and you already know what ka does to the accompaniment, okay? So I'm not going to explain that, right? Magkadula ang upat kalanggam, meaning the four birds are gonna play, right? They're going to play. Magkadula ang upat kalanggam. So the four birds are gonna play, and what I mean by that was, well, keeping it in the focus was magka remained as our focus, therefore the conjugation matches with ang, right? Because I had to use the ang set of markers because we are in the focus. Nagkadula ako ug si Agnes sa dagat, right? Agnes and I played in the beach or in the sea, right? Agnes and I played in the beach. So ako, I use again the pronouns in the absolutive case, and si is that proper noun in the absolutive case as well. The proper noun in the ang set of markers because we have a specific person's name, Agnes. Si Agnes, right? If I didn't know who Agnes was, I have to keep this plural, right? Because it's me and someone else. But if I didn't know who Agnes was, I can use kami, right? Kami, me and Agnes, kami in general. Instead of saying ako ug si whoever, I can just say kami, nagkadula kami, nagkadula me, right? And if I want to talk about other people, sila, right? Them, it's still plural because it's a plural, they're a third person. Kita, meaning you and me. It's just as long as you keep it plural in the absolutive case, right? And the last sentence, magkadula kanang mga tao. Okay, again, the conjugation matched with the focus. Kana, I had to use an absolutive case demonstrative pronoun, kana, right? Kani, kana, all that kind of stuff, right? And then again, keeping it plural in the focus, adding mga, right, to keep it plural, mga tao. Kana nga mga tao, those people are gonna play, okay? Those people are gonna play. But do you see what I mean? Like, it makes sense once you look at it. I guess the challenge is coming up with the sentence and thinking about it. However, it takes time, and with practice, you will get better.